So in this video, I am going to show you how to buy Dogecoin, ticker symbol DOGE in Canada using Wealthsimple Trade. So once Wealthsimple is opened up, scroll down under accounts and select crypto and then select trade. Now at the top here of the trade screen, I want you to go ahead and search up ticker symbol DOGE. Then find the one that is Dogecoin right here and list it as a cryptocurrency. So for me, it's at the top here. I'll go ahead and press on that. Once you're on this page, go to the bottom left and press buy. Now once you're on this page, you can type in the amount that you want to spend on Dogecoin. So if you wanted to buy $5 worth, I would type in 5. It'll then show you how much Dogecoin you'd be purchasing. And if you want to go to the next step, press on review. Once you're on this page, you can review the order. You can see the order type, the quantity, the account, the fees, the total. If all looks good to you and you want to proceed, go to the bottom and press submit order. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward, but that's how to buy Dogecoin in Canada using Wealthsimple Trade. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.